What if your Windows 11 could look this premium with glassy transparency, blur effects, and clean modern UI without slowing down your PC or installing heavy software? In the next few minutes, you will see how to turn a normal Windows 11 desktop into a high-end Mac OS style glass interface using just one lightweight tool. No risky tweaks, no performance loss, only safe, smooth, and reversible customization. So let's begin. For this glass and transparent look to work properly, the glass wallpaper is really important. So first, open any browser and go to 4kwallpapers.com. You will see a lot of categories there. You can choose anything you like. I am just selecting one of the wallpapers shown here. Open it and download the 4K version for better quality. After it's downloaded, you can directly use this image. Now just right click on the image and select Set as Desktop Background. And that's it, your wallpaper is applied, and this is the base for the glass look. Now, to make the desktop look clean and distraction free, let's hide the icons. Just right click anywhere on the desktop. Go to View and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. That's it. Instantly the desktop looks more minimal and professional. And if you like keeping your icons, no problem. You can totally skip this step. Now we are moving to the main customization tool. Open a new browser tab and search for Windhawk. Click on the official Windhawk website. It's basically a customization marketplace for Windows apps. From there, click on Download. When the Save As window appears, save it anywhere you like. I'm saving it on my desktop for now. The file size is very small, around 11 MB, so it's super lightweight. Once the download is complete, open the file. Click OK. Here, you can choose between standard installation or portable version. Just pick whatever you prefer. Then click Next. Click Next again. And after that, click Install. Once it's done, click Finish. Now Windhawk will open automatically. And later, if you want to open it again, you can either find it in the system tray or just search for Windhawk in Windows Search. Now open Windhawk and click on Explore. Here, search for Windows 11 File Explorer. Once you find it, click on Details. If you want, you can quickly check the features and even the source code, just for safety. Now click Install and then click Accept Risk. After that, click on Settings. Under Theme, choose Translucent Explorer 11. Finally, click Save Settings. And that's it. Your File Explorer will now have a clean, translucent glass look. After that, go back and search for translucent windows. Click on Details. Then click Install. And again, Accept Risk. Don't worry, this is safe. Now open Settings. Here, enable these options. First, turn on Windows Theme Custom Rendering. Then enable Windows Theme Accent Colorizer. Now scroll down until you see background translucent effect. From here, select blur, accent blur behind. Just below that, you will see accent blur behind color blend. Replace the value with 0, capital F, then 60. After that, enable these two options as well. Immersive dark mode title bar and extend effect into entire window. Now click on Save Settings. Once done, open File Explorer. Now you will notice a clean, glass-like transparent look. If the transparency doesn't appear on your screen, don't worry. Just go to Settings. Then Personalization. After that, go to Colors. Here, you will find an option called Transparency Effects. Simply turn this on. Without enabling this, the glass effect won't appear properly. Now as you can see, my laptop screen looks glass-like, transparent and honestly very premium. Open Windhawk, then go to Explore. Search Windows 11 Start Menu Styler. Click Details. Then go to Install. After that, Accept. Now open Settings. Under Themes, select Translucent Start Menu. Then click Save Settings. Open Start menu. Now it has a beautiful glass effect. Open Windhawk. Then go to Explore. Now find Windows 11 Taskbar Styler. Click Details. Then go to Install. After that, Accept. Then open Settings. Under Theme, now choose Translucent Taskbar. And then click Save Settings. And as you can see, your taskbar now looks clean, premium and modern. As you can see, my notification area is still normal, not transparent. To do this, you will need to go back to Windhawk. Then go to Explore. Search Windows 11 Notification Center Styler. Click Details. Then click on Install. After that, click Accept. Then open Settings. Now choose Theme Translucent Shell. Then click Save Settings. Now as you can see, the notification area has a glass effect. Open Task Manager and check resource usage. As you can see, it runs in the background without any performance impact. This proves Windhawk is extremely lightweight, safe and performance friendly. And that's it. A clean look, glass effects and almost zero performance impact. That's the power of smart customization. With just one lightweight tool, you have transformed Windows 11 into a premium glass-style interface without lag or system risk. If you ever want to turn off the transparency effect, just open Windhawk and turn off the options you enabled earlier. Once you do that, your screen will go back to normal. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.